Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Jeff, back in with another video. I know I haven't been on for a while, but I mean, getting off the norm here. I just purchased something I want to share with you guys and give you my opinion. Real quick, I'm unbox it. As you guys can see right now, that's the Centipede Arcade. You know what I'm saying, from 1up. 1up Arcade is the semi-arcade 1up. It's called the Centipede Partycade. Had a look at the box. But it's called the Centipede Partycade 8-in-1. So it's 8 games in one, as you can see. I'm showing you right now. It's a 17-inch screen. You can hang it up to the door, to put it in a stand or whatnot. It's just it's cool. It's cool looking. And one of the reasons I'm getting it, or that I did get it, it just has a lot of good memories with it. My father used to have like candy stores or bodegas back in Brooklyn back in the days, and one of the machines that he had in the early 80s when I was a kid, 8 or 9 years old, was the first time I saw the Centipede big machine, big console. And I used to play it, and I always had to get the highest score. So no matter what, I always had to get the highest score. So I'd leave, I'd come in the next day, I saw somebody else had the highest score, I would be pissed off. I will not stop putting quarters until I made sure that I had the high score. So it was very nostalgic to me, having this machine. So it's hard to get the big one, but the big one just takes too much space. So this is right in between. It's not the small console, but it is a little larger. It has the same screen as the big 4 or 5 feet console. You know what I'm saying? So the screen experience is going to be the same, in a smaller platform where you can hang it to a door. Well, I'll show you guys, what I'm saying? So let's unbox this baby and, so I can show you this baby around. So very quickly, let's open it. We got the book split. Bam. We got, now this looks like the stand because it has two types of stand. It has this stand that you can hook it up to the wall and just hang it from there. It's like a bracket like this. And then it has, I think it's these stands right here. And these are like brackets that you hang to the door. So it brings two of them. So you can hang it to the door or have a permanent bracket on a wall. So this is pretty cool, man. This is very cool. For this. All right. What else we got here? We got the AC adapter, of course. What else we got here? All right. And these, I think, are more door brackets. I think that's something. So I guess some of them may be hooked up to the door, and another one's to the back of the machine. So that's 4 of them. So I think one of them is to hook up to the door, and I think this smaller one is to hook up to the bracket in the wall. So it has two types. Pretty cool. Now, all the screws and stuff. Little rat poison. Oh, here she is, Miss America. All right, let's see what else we got here. Here it goes. It's coming out. It's coming out, guys. It has a little weight to it. It has a little weight to it. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. See how we're doing this, live. We're doing no editing here. Has a nice big size to it. I love it. Yeah, it has the 17-inch screen, which is the same screen as the big, unit. The big units you put on the floor. Same screen size, guys. Look at this baby, huh? Look at this. Let me just raise this up a little so you guys can see a little better. Huh? This is a real beauty. A real beauty. Look at this beauty, huh? Look at this beauty. Look at the size right here. How beautiful that is. Wow. The beauty, the colors. Gorgeous movement. Right. There's the other side. How beautiful that looks. The colors is just amazing. Look at the front here. The ball is like the full size. I'm telling you, my buddy has the full size. It feels just like it and a smaller scale for your apartment if you live in New York City. See, he lives in Long Island. Shout out to my boy Jim, MCO Gamer. He has like 10 of the big consoles. You know what I'm saying? He has the full size arcades. But he has dedicated his whole room for that, so I can't do that here. I'm in New York City, but I love it. It's beautiful. So let me peel this off and turn this guy back on and show you guys. Alright guys, we're going to turn this baby for the first time. Is that it? Says it's on. There it goes. It's loading for the first time. So right now, as you guys can see, I have it in the kitchen. Going up. Beautiful. I haven't even taken the plastic out from here. I'm going to leave it for now. But, you know. Oh my God. This is so freaking beautiful. So it has 8 games. So we're doing this, you know, at the same time. Of course. Oh, there it goes. The volume. All the way up. There you go. All the way up. All the way down. With this button right here. So, of course, we're going to pick Centipede A. It tells you how to play it. Says press 1 man to continue. So we're going to go play 1 man here. One player 1. And there he goes. Now this thing looks, oh my God. Let me tell you something. The controls feel tighter. Like I said, I just played this in my buddy's house. Between me and you guys, I think it even feels more immersive because the screen compared to the console itself, it's like, oh my God, it's the same thing. I actually feel like I'm closer because you're actually closer to the Come on, baby. There we go. Come on. Oh, I gotta catch it. There we go. Cool. There we go. Woo! This is so immersive. Oh, you caught me. My first loss. Guys, this feels like, it's like playing the big one. Like I said, I played the big one before. It's the same size screen. It feels even more immersive because you're so close to the damn action. It plays great. Like I said, I play both of them. This is I'm getting the Pac-Man. I'm gonna show you guys I got the Pac-Man. I'm getting all of these at this size because the screen is so big. Come on, what's wrong with me? There we go. It's like, ah, man. I got caught out there. But anyway, guys, it's your boy Jeff. Till next time, see ya. But I want to show you something before I go. This thing is so versatile that you could play in your counter. Or you could connect it to any door in your house. Ba-boom. Kitchen door. So any door you have in your house, you could connect it and have a great time with it. I mean, this thing is awesome. So you got, hang it, put it in a counter, or also, another thing you guys could do is, there's a bracket that they put right here like this, and just have it in a permanent racket that it comes in the box too. This is the best accessory. I mean, this is, so nice, so big, so cool. You can put it anywhere. I mean, it's a go. It is a go. All right, guys, so this is part of my collection here. So this is the one I just got today. And this was the original one I got, which is a nice size. You know what I'm saying? But it was only 5 inches. Oh, I think 7 inches inside, not 17. This is the latest version. They kept the screen the same. See over here, the screen looks bigger. It's a little screen inside the screen, so there's a lot of bezel. This one, they actually made the bezel smaller, but they also made the console so much smaller, which I wasn't happy about. I was like, why they made it so much smaller? I mean, I don't mind, you know, small like that, but this was a little too small. But this right here, this is the best of both worlds. Big old 17-inch screen, just like the regular size console that they sell, but in a small package, and it's so immersive. I'm definitely gonna get rid of probably the Miss Pac-Man and get this console in the Miss Pac-Man version, because listen, the feeling of it, you just cannot compare it. So I'm definitely getting rid of the Pac-Man. This one, if they have a Pac-Man, I can also get the Pac-Man, but I'm definitely gonna get the Miss Pac-Man. Get rid of this little baby. So whoever's interested, it plays great, but I just like the immersiveness of this big old screen. You know, it just looks beautiful. Love the size. So anyway, guys, till next time, get it. It's your boy Jeff. One other thing that I forgot to mention is that it does bring 2 legs here, in case you want to stand it permanently. I didn't take it out of the box. It was buried in the bottom of the box, but it does have some legs, which I'll show you in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, is your boy Jeff. RK1up. You keep on doing it, baby. See ya.